Welcome to the Observer's Suite, where branding is decoded, aesthetics are analyzed, and luxury is redefined through the lens of AI, design history, and cultural commentary. This isn't a channel, it's an index, a study, a space for visual thinkers. If you've ever wondered what makes a brand look expensive, or how modern elegance is constructed, you're already in the right place. Observe differently. Subscribe below. Luxury used to be handcrafted. Now it might be AI rendered. In an age where images can be generated in seconds, the question becomes, can luxury survive automation? Or is it evolving through it? This is the Observer's Suite, and today we're decoding how artificial intelligence is rebuilding the visual codes of luxury. Generative tools have changed everything. Platforms like Midjourney, Runway, and DALL-E let anyone create polished visuals that feel expensive. No formal training, no gatekeeping, just a prompt. And within moments, you've created a brand campaign that rivals the real thing. But something deeper is happening. These tools are learning the visual logic of luxury. White space, editorial lighting, muted color palettes, asymmetry, and what used to be exclusive to fashion houses and legacy designers is now accessible to anyone with an idea. What's striking is how well AI mimics the signals of wealth. It knows how to simulate taste. You'll see perfectly styled models, carefully composed shadows, and the illusion of scarcity. Ironically, it recreates luxury by generating excess. It understands something crucial, that in luxury, less means more. So the AI subtracts, it refines. It produces visuals with no clutter, just poise. This isn't about copying brands, it's about copying a mood. One of the most fascinating trends is the rise of brandless campaigns, editorial visuals that look like ad spreads. But there's no product, no label, no client, and yet they feel luxurious. This is the emergence of the aesthetic campaign, a speculative visual, created not to sell a product, but to evoke a world, a feeling. This is happening across fashion, beauty, design, and art, and it's redefining how we understand value. Because suddenly, the campaign is the product. When everyone has access to the same tools, the real value shifts. It's no longer about what you can generate, it's about what you choose to show. This is the rise of the curator, someone who can filter noise, edit thoughtfully, and present only what feels aligned. It's not the AI that's luxury, it's the eye behind it. In the past, luxury was material: gold, silk, marble. Now, it's perspective and curation, careful, editorial, restrained. That is the new exclusivity. As observers, we're watching this shift in real time. Tools are evolving fast, but taste still takes time. In this moment, the question isn't, can AI make luxury? It's, can we still recognize meaning when everything looks perfect? The answer is yes, but only if we stay present. If we look not just at the image, but at the intent behind it. This is the new role of the creative: to guide, to sift, to observe. So how is AI rebuilding luxury? By reconstructing the aesthetic systems that define taste and putting them into our hands. Luxury is no longer about rare materials, it's about rare vision. And in this era, what you choose not to show can be just as valuable as what you do. You've been watching The Observer's Suite, a place for deep design, cultural decoding, and visual strategy. If this sparked something, subscribe. Leave a mark in the comments. And remember, luxury isn't always loud. Sometimes it's silent. Sometimes it's just seen. And now, with that being said, you've been watching The Observer's Suite. Although our time has come to a close, we wanted to share with you that if this sparked something, stay tuned. There's so much more in store. Subscribe, observe, and don't forget, design isn't just how it looks, it's what it implies.